Hey everyone, it's Michael with Dream Vacations. So we're here at Universal Orlando Resort, and we decided to stay the night at the Universal Cabana Bay Beach Resort. And we're in a pool view room in the Americana Tower. And so the room itself has 2 queen-size beds. Really cool, it sleeps up to 4 people. Our room has a connecting door as well. So you can actually get connecting rooms. So if you have a larger family, you could stay and connect. But the bathroom though, on the other hand, so it's split bathroom, so split bath, and we have a tub. So if you have kids, great, you can do bubble baths. You can bathe your kids in there. And also it's great because if one person's trying to get ready to go to the theme parks in the morning, the other person can be in the bathroom showering, using the restroom, whatever. And so that's kind of a cool feature. This resort was designed with families in mind, and they also have a family suite. And I have that on my channel as well. So my YouTube channel, you can actually see a tour of that particular room. And we'll put that in the link in the bio as well. So one thing that's really cool too, if you have, you want to bring snacks or stuff like that, they do have a small fridge in the room. So here on the dresser area, there's like a little fridge inside. 2 liters are not included. We do have, we brought our own soda. But yeah, 2 liters do not come with the fridge. It's not a mini bar, but you can fit comfortably 2 2-liter soda bottles. But my favorite part of the entire room though is the view. So this resort is really cool because not only do you can have a view of Volcano Bay, which is the water park next door, but they have their own private entrance as well. So you can walk to Volcano Bay from the hotel itself. That's one of the reasons why we stayed here, is because you could walk next door. It's pretty cool. But they also have a lazy river. So next to the pool, they do have a lazy river. So you can float. It's included in the stay. It's not an extra charge. But you also get early park admission. So that's one of the reasons why we decided to stay here, is because we get early admission an hour before the park opens to regular guests, to both Islands of Adventure as well as Epic Universe. So currently, regular Universal Studios does not have early admission, but the other 2 theme parks do have that. So it's very quaint, cool, standard hotel room. But what I can do for you is when you stay here, I can assist you with booking packages. So there's different packages that you can get for Universal. If you're a Harry Potter fan, there is a Harry Potter package where you get to dine at the 3 different restaurants for breakfast. That's a tour of our room, so go ahead and like and subscribe to this video and our channel. And when you're ready to book your next Universal Orlando vacation, as well as stay here at Universal's Cabana Bay Resort, you know who to call.